In a move that signals the future of modern warfare, Britain has officially stepped into the era of laser weapons. What once sounded like science fiction is now becoming reality. The United Kingdom is deploying high-powered laser systems to protect its military bases from emerging threats, especially drones and aerial attacks. These weapons promise speed, precision, and a dramatic reduction in the cost of defense. Today, we break down Britain's laser defense systems, how they work, and what this means for global military power. Modern warfare is changing rapidly. In recent years, small and inexpensive drones have become one of the biggest threats to military installations. Armed groups and state actors alike now use drones for surveillance, sabotage, and even direct attacks. Traditional air defense systems, such as missiles, are effective, but they come with major drawbacks. They are expensive, they require complex logistics, and using a missile to destroy a low-cost drone often makes little economic sense. This growing imbalance has pushed militaries around the world to search for new solutions. Britain's answer is directed energy weapons, specifically laser-based air defense. Laser weapons use concentrated beams of light to disable or destroy targets. Unlike conventional weapons, lasers do not rely on physical ammunition. This makes laser weapons particularly effective against fast-moving or small targets, exactly the kind of threats modern military bases face today. Britain's laser weapons program is part of a broader modernization effort within the British Armed Forces. The UK Ministry of Defence has been developing laser systems designed specifically to defend military bases, ships, and critical infrastructure. These systems are intended to counter drones, loitering munitions, and other low-altitude aerial threats. Mounted on military vehicles or fixed defense platforms, the lasers can track and engage targets with extreme accuracy. Operators can disable a drone mid-air within seconds, often before it even reaches restricted airspace. According to defense officials, each laser shot costs only a fraction of what a missile interception would cost, making it a financially sustainable solution for long-term defense. The laser defense system combines several advanced technologies working together. First, radar and optical sensors detect incoming aerial objects. Then, tracking systems lock onto the target, analyzing its speed, size, and trajectory. Once identified as a threat, the laser is fired with pinpoint accuracy. The beam can melt critical components such as propellers, wings, or onboard electronics. In many cases, the drone is disabled without causing an explosion, reducing the risk of collateral damage. Because the weapon operates at the speed of light, there is virtually no delay between detection and engagement, an enormous advantage in high-threat environments. Why Britain is deploying lasers now? The timing of this deployment is no coincidence. Conflicts around the world have demonstrated how dangerous and disruptive drone warfare can be. Military bases, airfields, and supply depots have become prime targets. Britain recognizes that future threats will not always come from fighter jets or ballistic missiles. Instead, small, cheap and autonomous systems will increasingly dominate the battlefield. By deploying laser weapons now, the UK aims to stay ahead of this threat curve, deterring potential adversaries and protecting its forces at home and abroad. Advantages over traditional weapons. Laser weapons offer several key advantages. They are cost-effective, with each shot costing far less than missile-based defenses. They are precise, reducing unintended damage. They can fire repeatedly as long as power is available, and they reduce reliance on complex ammunition supply chains. Additionally, laser weapons provide a scalable response. Operators can adjust power levels depending on the threat, disabling rather than destroying when necessary. For base defense, this flexibility is a game changer. Despite their promise, laser weapons are not perfect. Weather conditions such as fog, rain, or dust can reduce effectiveness. High-energy systems require significant power and cooling, and lasers currently work best at shorter ranges compared to missiles. Because of this, Britain does not see laser weapons as a replacement for traditional defenses, but as a powerful new layer within a multi-tiered defense system. Britain's deployment of laser weapons marks a major milestone in military technology. It reflects a shift toward faster, smarter, and more cost-effective defense systems designed for the realities of modern warfare. As laser technology continues to evolve, it may soon become a standard feature of military bases around the world. Britain invests £20 million in Dragonfire laser weapons to protect against drone attacks. A Ministry of Defense spokesman said, laser weapon technology offers significant potential across a wide range of defense and civil applications. We are actively exploring opportunities, particularly in counter-drone systems. The financial advantage of Dragonfire over conventional weaponry is stark. Each laser shot costs approximately £10, while the Sea Viper missiles currently used by destroyers to neutralize incoming threats carry a price tag of £1 million apiece. The system's precision has impressed researchers, with the laser demonstrating the ability to strike a target as small as a pound coin from a kilometer's distance. The Royal Navy will receive Dragonfire, a high-intensity laser system capable of incinerating drones, mortar rounds and even brick walls, aboard Type 45 destroyers beginning in 2027. This deployment forms part of a £300 million defense contract. The age of science fiction weapons is over. The age of laser defense has officially begun. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.